What's up, guys? It's July 28th, 2025. Had a down day in the E-mini. Nasdaq was a little more sideways. It was a hard day. Came up. I'm green on the day. Yeah. So that's from earlier. I was looking at some trades. Go over the trades real quick. Today's gonna be a little bit quicker one. Gotta go do a couple things today. So here's one trade I took. This spike from here to up here. And then I almost got stopped out. I really didn't like this, so this was a scratch trade I took. I hit out on this candle for a couple green points. I don't know how much exactly. And then I actually bought this bar here thinking that I could I've been trying to work on a re-entry package. So I bought this bar here. And then I hit out on this bar in reverse short for this other leg I was eyeballing. Was a leg one pullback, leg two, but I had missed a good entry because I was still at a long bias because of the gap up market regime. So I entered a little bit late here, but I made back what I lost like in this little long trade here. Then this is where I got a little messed up. Yeah, so I was short here, sat through this. I exited on this bar. Okay, that's a loss pretty much. I took another long here. Leg one, pull back leg two, except this was leg two. Ended up being a second leg trap. So I think I got hit for a full R on this one. Then I took a small break, and I was in this trade here. Something like this. I think it was this one. This is where I kind of got a little messed up because I originally wanted to go for leg two of this leg. So whatever I get filled, and so this bar as it was selling, I pulled my target down back to this leg one, pull back leg two. And then I missed so for this trade, I had a chance to get out. Then I instead of getting out, I pressed this trade, so I sold another contract here. Looking for a leg two like this from that spike. So I pressed it, and then I just ended up getting out right around here because I didn't get the target. When I say I pressed it, I meant like this. No, hold on. I might have added twice. I have to look at the video. I know I shorted here and I still didn't take profits, and I think I shorted again. I took one more of a contract, and I made this my trade. So I put my stop up here, and I got filled here, and then it never came to my target. So I just got out for almost break even right around here because this was my new target for this entire trade. So I got kind of messed up right around here, kind of break even. I'm up a little bit. And then I saw this happening right around 1240. And then I thought about like this, like one pullback, like two. So I bought the close here and I got out on this swing. So green day, but kind of system deviated a little bit, but still based off leg two. So kind of just on the fence about it. I think today was a little hard for sure. Weekly chart, daily chart. So first bar of the week's a bear bar. Good for the bears, bad for the bulls. Bulls want this to just be like a pullback and we keep going higher. Like one, pullback like two. Maybe this is a start to a new breakout. Like one, pullback like two, pullback like three. Or this could be climactic, three pushes up. And bears want this to start to be the start of a big sell-off. Weekly chart, daily chart here. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. This entire thing's one leg. We went sideways. Trading range, still market cycle ends on trading range. So breakout right around here. Maybe these two bars. Pull back leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. So we're kind of in that third leg on the daily chart. We had some selling today, but it was a broad bear channel because bulls were making money here. They kind of made money here. They had a couple of legs, but I don't know if they made a lot of money. All right. Gap up, add follow through. For the bulls, they would want this to be a bull bar. Ends up being a train range bar, and then it sells off 2 and 3. I think there's a leg one, leg two here. Leg one, pull back, leg two. except the tail on 6 doesn't go past bar 3, so maybe you could get trapped on this trade, kind of how I did earlier on NASDAQ with whatever trade that was. Rally, shot to get a leg 2, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. So I got 3 legs, but I was never able to get to new highs, so it's a pretty weak rally. And then that's 3 pushes up. 15, bear wire, closing on us a little, but it's bouncing off the EMA, and then 17 breaks out. With 18 starts to sell, it's a bull bar, but it also creates a gap right around support, so bears are getting a breakout. Some bulls are trapped, and then there's a third leg down. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, 22 and 23. Rally from 23 to 29. Shot to get a second leg, so the bears that shorted here. The bears that short here are going to short more higher. And you can see that they were worried when 32 came close to 50% mark. Bears started to hit out, so they were willing to take a small loss on this because of this rally. And then there's that second leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Ends up being a second leg trap. That's where I took a loss. And then you can see that I was trying to trade this leg here, but this entire leg got a leg 1, leg 2, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. So the better stop would have been right around here. 50% pullback. Well, it actually goes to like around 75%. And then there's your target. So that's not a trade I would take, because I usually do it from the last trap spot. Because see the 15 bulls, they bought that. They already got out at break. Oh, I guess they didn't get out at break even. So hold on. So see how these bars don't go to that middle red line. So 15, they're still trap bulls. I guess that makes so. Yeah, I pulled from the wrong bar. That's why I got stopped out. This was a skunk stop. But I don't even know if I would have sat through this entire rally anyways. So yeah, it is what it is. Still caught some of it leg down. Bulls that buy the high of 35. Gonna buy more lower around 41, 42. Then look, let me make this a little better right there. So bulls buy here, they're trapped, they're buying more. Right when it comes up to the average price of the EMA, it sells off, so there's more selling pressure at the EMA. Bulls selling out, bears shorting the first pullback from all these bars. Well, this is the first pullback from this. Big sell bar 47 gets followed through, big sell bar 46 gets followed through 47. And then 48 is not the best follow through. There's no bear body, and it's right above support. And then bulls rally for 2 legs. Leg 1, pullback with 2. Look, even on the pullback, the trap dynamic makes sense. So bears short here, they're trapped, and short more here. In this case, some bears were short here and they were willing to hold. And some other weak hands got out on the tail of 52, and that created a small bump up, 49, and then that rallied 51. That became like a wedge top testing right around here. Bulls get trapped up here, they buy more down here. 49, 50, and 51 hit the 50% mark. Bulls sell out of a bad bad long. The bears that press up here are adding to their position, and second leg traders are joining right around there, and that creates a nice sell off 52 to 56. Do the same thing, except now we've had 3 legs down. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Start to go more sideways at the end of the day. But look, this is where I was adding to my position. I kind of got trapped. I got filled on 57, 58. And then as soon as it went red once, I was just looking to get out right around here. Kind of sucks. My entry was a little bit higher, and then I just bought the close right here from on NASDAQ, this wasn't a new low. Oops. On NASDAQ, this was like right around here. So I still used the context. Yeah, see how this doesn't go down here? So when I bought the close here, I was kind of using this leg 1, pullback, leg 2 context. It didn't. If 37 was my target, I'm not gonna hold past here. I was out before 78. It was a quick scalp, like right there to there. So yeah, today was a quick one. Let me know how you guys did. I think it was kind of hard. Hope you had a good day. If you learned something, share, show, don't be a hoe, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.